Welcome to 1188 Walnut Grove Avenue in City of Rosemead. This is not your typical condo in Rosemead. This is a townhome-style residence with soaring ceilings, mountain views, and a rare two-car attached garage. Located in a gated community built in 1982 with mature landscaping, strong WA reserves, low rental ratio, and FHA approval. This split-level design gives you real separation between living and sleeping areas. Vaulted ceilings and natural light create an open, airy feel that's hard to find in this price range. Open kitchen with skylight, in-unit laundry hookups, and practical layout designed for everyday living. Upstairs, the primary suite offers vaulted ceilings, an ensuite bath, and a walk-in closet, providing both privacy and storage. Golf course, minutes to Costco, Montebello Town Center, Walmart Plaza, and easy freeway access. Call Sofia Chang 626-800-7903.